Ladies and gentlemen, from the Erickson collection, the Boeing B17G. Doc Hospers of Fort Worth, Texas, purchased the airplane and restored it to flying condition. The airplane was then sold to Jerry Yates at the Military Aviation Museum in 2009 before being purchased by Erickson in 2013. Grandfather is with him today, a World War II vet. And again, ladies and gentlemen, we'll dedicate this pass to him and the other World War II veterans with us. I'll ask you again to put your hands together so that they know we'll never forget what they've done for us. Watch this now from the left. Isn't that beautiful?